Any danger?
No.
No.
They're too worn out now to
Safe to approach.
Okay, so R. Okay, so what you can do?
Response.
Lovely. Okay, talk to them first. My other half is deaf. I've been to the hospital appointments as official that he is deaf in one ear. So if we're this way round, if that was my other half, I talk and he doesn't hear. So he is officially deaf. I went to the hospital and made sure. So obviously I give him a never so gentle, honey, you know, not straight. So be loud, this person might be deaf, yeah, and talk to him first and give him a good tap. Okay, so they didn't respond, what's next? S.
Call 999.
Yes,
Oh.
shout for some help, yeah?
Hey, get the defibrillator.
Like it, yeah. First person call 999, yeah, you want to get some help running. Second person to go find a deacon, if you know where one is, if they know where one is. Later on down the call, we can always advise you where the closest one is, if you don't know. A. Anyway, so have a little look in the map. Is there anything nasty in there that we can get rid of? There is. Let's say there's some blood in there, so we're going to roll them over. That's it, roll them over. Hopefully some of it drains. You won't get it perfect, but try and clear it. And then we're going to open that airway, so the head tilt chin left. And then a real person, their head will pretty much stay there. Okay, and no, it's not good. And then B, breathing. So one hand on their upper chest, lower tummy area. Okay, your face over their nose and mouth if you feel comfortable to. Looking at your hands, yeah, we want to see, let's go down. How long are we checking for? Lovely. And if they're breathing normally, how many breaths will we see? 2 or more. Yep, 2 or more. Okay, you see one breath. What are you going to do?
CPR.
Okay, go for it. You will wait for the music
Up,
now.
up.
Okay, so imagine that line just underneath their armpit, sink to the centre of their chest. Okay, that's it. Leaning right over the patient. Not too fast. Okay, if you go too fast, we don't get the heart time to refill with blood before we squeeze it. So lean over a little bit more, a little bit harder. A bit harder. If your arms don't be straight, it's like a whole body is rocking, you know. Good.
I'm not sure if we'll be able to hear us in a public place and lots of emotions going on, but if you could try and remember it in
Sing it
your
in
voice.
song.
1, 2, 3, 4. And the call handler will be counting it as well.
Yeah, but don't play the beat, you have a phone.
Excellent. Good stuff.
I know it's a super. Hopefully it gives you an idea of the rate, okay? So just most, yeah, to be honest, everybody was doing it. We need to make sure that we release in between. So we're not going to take our hands off the patient, but we're just releasing the pressure to let the chest naturally recall, spring back up, so that the heart can refill before we're going to push down again. And that's why we don't want to go too fast, okay? Because we won't give time for that heart to refill with blood. Okay.
Excellent.
Lovely.
Thank you.